Here we are at Canterbury St Dunstans level crossing in Kent, in Canterbury. We are waiting. Time is 10:05 on, well, 10:06 now, Thursday the 8th of April 2020. And we are waiting for our 10:08 1 Juliet 18 Southeastern service from St Pancras to Margate. What's been redone down there? I don't think I've recorded this crossing properly on this channel. I mean, I've been here before. I think it was last time I was here actually. I think I was with Joe Thorpe. Platform 2 for the 10:08 Southeastern service to Margate, corning at Ramsgate, Broadstairs and Margate. This train has 6 coaches. Can't see it. Hang on. I think it's here. We'll only be getting one closure because as there isn't enough time for 2, I'll be catching a 10:20 bus. There's a triangle down there to Whitstable and Swalcliffe. Okay, here it is. I mean, it's not like Lincoln. This is a bit busy, but it's not pedestrianised. Okay, who have we got? (39527) Hannah Cockroft. Let's see if I can get there. 39527 Hannah Cockroft to Margate, and thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.